What's up, everybody? I'm your host, HunterAvallone. Now, if you know anything about me, you know that I really like technology. I'm kind of a nerd when it comes to that stuff. So security cameras and Ring doorbells and things like this, that's already cool to me. However, this has a bit of a dark twist. I'm sure we've all seen videos about like creepy things caught on Ring doorbell cameras and whatnot, but today we're going to be looking at some of the rare instances that death was caught on Ring doorbell camera. Viewer discretion is advised, and don't forget to click that subscribe button and the like button. In 2023, a Ring camera captured a deadly drive-by shooting taking place on Milwaukee's North Side. Sadly, a 48-year-old man was tragically killed right then and there, with his death being recorded on the Ring doorbell. In 2021, a Ring doorbell camera captured a harrowing scene.
Hey! Is that Jacob? No, that's Peyton! Get the fucking guy! Call the phone! Jimmy! Jimmy! I'm chill, dude! He just came at me and shot at me, dude! He just came at me and shot at me! Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me?
The former Greenwood Village police officer Adam Holland, 36, was charged with second-degree murder, felony menacing, and prohibited use of a weapon following the fatal shooting of the 17-year-old in Colorado. According to court documents, the former police officer had a blood alcohol level of 0.193, which is well above the legal limit, and was identified as the primary aggressor in the confrontation. The former officer tried to claim self-defense but was criticized for escalating the situation and failing to de-escalate or give warnings as police training dictates. But what happens when no police are involved immediately and everything escalates into a barrage of gunfire? Sadly, the West Dallas shooting left one dead and one seriously injured. But sometimes Ring cameras capture up-close and personal chaos. Like in this clip, a young girl's ex-boyfriend attempted to break into the house before the father, fearing for his daughter's life, felt he had no choice but to retaliate.
Wait. He's like, hey, he's coming back. Nope, I'm coming. James, she doesn't want to talk to you.
He tries the Ring doorbell, but when that doesn't work, he moves on to more drastic measures. After the ex-boyfriend tried to break into the house, the father shot the man several times. According to the young girl, she had dated that man almost 18 months prior. She also said his personality drastically changed after he began messing around with drugs. The ex-boyfriend was pronounced dead at the scene. Ultimately, the grand jury decided not to move forward with charges against the father. In 2023, Utah police were alerted by a next-door neighbor of a harrowing scene.
It was next door and it sounded like gunshots, but I'm not sure about that, but...
No, it's okay. What?
The neighbor would prove to be horrifically correct. Only moments before this 911 call was made, a brutal shooting took place, and it was all captured on a Ring doorbell camera. It all started when this man from Long Beach traveled all the way to Utah to visit his brother. It's hard to imagine how a seemingly innocent visit from your own brother could soon prove to be just so devastating.
Hey, what's up? What are you doing? Came to the gate. We came by to see Mom. She's not here? Where's she at? In Missouri? What's she doing there? Well, she's living with Lorinda's mom, who's taking care of her. Really? Yeah. Well, how long's she been there? About a year. Really?
A motive hasn't been confirmed, but many speculate that it has something to do with the mother's estate. Either way, the brother allegedly snapped and went to confront his brother, ultimately killing him and seriously injuring his wife. After the 911 call was made, police descended upon the property, where a brief shootout followed, ultimately leading to the death of the shooter as well. These are just a few of the shocking deaths that have been caught on Ring doorbell cameras. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.